Today's action word will help us to express one of the feelings. Let's see. In Master of Azerbaijani word of the day, you have today Utanmaq. Utanmaq. Utanmaq can be to be ashamed, to feel shy, to be embarrassed. Now, let's see some phrases. To be ashamed of something, to give sense of being shy or embarrassed, or to blush from being shy or embarrassed. Let's see how to say these in Azerbaijani. Nedense utanmak. Ne, what, nedense, of something. Utanmak, to be ashamed of. Utanmak, hissi vermek. Vermek is a literal word, to give. His, feeling, sense. To give the sense of being shy, embarrassed. Utanmak, hissi vermek. When someone or something gives you that feeling. UTANMAQdan qızarmaq. Qızarmaq literally means like, if you use it for food, it's called to fry. But in this case, it's like getting red, which is the right way to translate is to blush. Dan, the suffix you see, utanmaqdan, it's the from suffix. All right? Now let's use it in some sentences because utanmaq is the infinitive form. We're going to change it to multiple forms, tenses, so we can use it properly. Let's see. Hamının qarşısında çıxış edəndə birdən utanmaq hissi üstün gəldi. Səsim titrədi və nə demək istədiyimi unutdum. When I spoke in front of everyone, a sudden feeling of shame took over. My voice trembled and I forgot what I wanted to say. Hamının qarşısında, in front of everyone. Hamı, everyone. Hamının of everyone. Qarşısında, in front. Çıxış edəndə, when I spoke, when I basically presented, performed. Birdən, suddenly or a sudden, utanmaq hissi üstün gəldi. A feeling of shame took over. Səsim titrədi, səs, voice, səsim, my voice. Trembled, titrədi, titrəmək, to tremble, titrədi, trembled. And I forgot, unutdum, unutmaq, to forget, unutdum, I forgot. Və, and. Nə demək istədiyimi, what I wanted to say. İstəmək, to want. İstədim, I wanted. İstədiyimi, the thing I wanted. Okay, now. Səhvimi etiraf edəndə hamı mehriban davransa da utanmaqdan qızardım və göz təmasından qaçdım. When I admitted my mistake, even though everyone was kind, I blushed from embarrassment and avoided eye contact. When I admitted, səhvimi etiraf edəndə, when I admitted, etiraf edəndə, to admit, etiraf etmək, etiraf edəndə, when admitted. Who? Səhvimi. You see how, you know, I and my, I admitted my mistake. It's only because you can see suffixes here. Səhvim, my mistake. Qızardım, I blushed. Qaçdım, I avoided. That's how we know those are the right ways and the right way to translate this sentence. Otherwise, you don't see there I admitted separately, you don't see there my separately. So that's some tips and tricks for you to understand how Azerbaijani works so you can get the right translation out of it. Səhvimi etiraf edəndə, when I admitted my mistake. Hamı, everyone, mehriban davransa da, though was kind, utanmaqdan qızardım. I blushed from embarrassment. Və göz təmasından qaçdım. Göz təması, göz, eye, təmas, contact. Təmasından, from the eye contact, that basically you run, because qaçmaq, the word infinitive form of the qaçdım, it means technically and literally to run away. So this one is literal translation. I run away from eye contact. But the best way to translate, of course, avoided eye contact. Now, if you want to say this word just by itself in the past tense, I was shy, mən utandım. maq drops because that's for infinitive form. And you say utandım. Men utandım. I was shy. Sen utandın. You were shy. O utandı. He, she, it was shy. Biz utandık. We were shy. And so forth. Now, that was today's word, utanmaq. How else we can use it? There you go. I'll utanmaq later. Right now, I'm busy being confident. Like the opposite of being utanmaq. So, now, regular stuff. Master Azerbaijani app is right there and there, available both in Google Store and App Store. With Module 1 being free, this is the most important module that you can have to set you up for success to learn the language. MasterAzerbaijani.com is there too since November 2025, where blogs is being posted on multiple topics every 10 days on tips and tricks of grammar, language, historical, cultural context. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.